Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, keep watching and let's go ahead and get started. Hi you guys, welcome. How are you? I want to talk about, because I'm a makeup lover, but I know the economy is crap right now. Everything is just out of control. It keeps getting worse. So I just want to talk about some really good affordable brands. There are so many out there, so I'll probably try and focus my next couple of videos on just affordable things and just ways to kind of save money when you're buying makeup products. So let's go ahead and get started. I need to put something on the lips. These are great. It's the Essence What the Fake. I usually always say What the Flake. And this is the one that's made with cinnamon oil. It's just a beautiful nudie color. And I think it's like $3.99. So these are phenomenal. I have most of my base done. I'm so sorry. But on the base, everything is affordable drugstore makeup. Okay, so I do have the About Face foundation on today, which is like $22, $24. That is a little bit of a splurge, but at Ulta, they always have coupons, and also join their rewards program. It is free, and you get points that turn into dollars off. Like right now, I have like $100-something off just from points. And if you spend so much per year, they don't expire. But even if they do expire, just stock up, get some stuff, and then at the end of the year, use your points. But that's one really, really big thing. So wherever you shop, make sure if they have like a free rewards program, join it. It is absolutely worth it, and you will save a lot of money. Another thing, I know Amazon is questionable these days, but I shop my prices with everything. So a lot of times, especially with makeup, you can find it cheaper on Amazon. Just throwing that out there. And then another thing, these Morphe Cheek Thrills Multi-Finish Face Trios, they're phenomenal. They're $19, but you get a cream blush, a cream kind of like highlight blush shade, and then a powder shade. These will last you forever. So that's another thing that I highly, highly recommend. Because like everything is getting really, really, really expensive these days, but you get 3 products in one and they will last you forever. So another awesome brand out there that is just completely taken over is NYX. This is the Ultimate Queen palette. I got it on sale for like 18-something. I don't know how much the normal price is, but my point is they've got some smaller palettes that are phenomenal that I think are like 10, 15 bucks maybe. But this is one of the bigger ones. But these are really, really, really great shadows. Oh, I got this on the back. I was such a doofus. TJ Maxx, $9.99, which is one of my other points. TJ Maxx, and Marshalls, okay? Check out their makeup sections. You can find some high-end brand stuff. You can find drugstore stuff. They even have sometimes had some Milk Cosmetics stuff. And you get them at highly discounted prices. So shop there. Also for your skincare, your hair care, TJ Maxx and Marshalls, where it's at. Alright, you guys. I'm just gonna, is it okay if I just kind of like do makeup and kind of talk? Is that cool with everybody? Hopefully. And I'll do the same look on both eyes just for time saving sake. But yeah, you guys, just everything is just getting just so out of control price-wise. And yeah. Like I used to try and get everything at Walmart, but I know my Walmart doesn't really get new stuff in, and so that's when I started shopping Amazon for a lot of things, because it's just so much cheaper. I even like the deodorant I buy sometimes is cheaper, so I'll just order that off of Amazon. I know it sounds crazy, but I am all about saving money these days. So, do you guys have any tips for for like saving money when it comes to, because I'm primarily like a makeup channel, so when it comes to buying makeup, like what are some of your money saving tips, or what are the affordable brands that you absolutely love that just have awesome products that we should all know about? Please comment down below and let us know, because I think we should all help each other out. Another thing I'll do is I will kind of like have a cart going on Ulta, and you know, I always get their coupons, so once I get like a really good coupon, like a 20% off or something, that's when I'll place my order. Or like a 5 off 25. They're always having coupons. Or if something I have is like buy 2 get 1 free, that's when I try to do my orders. Always trying to save money when I can. And also those blush, that face trio that I showed you at the beginning. Makeup Revolution also came out with one very similar. And I think those are like 10 or 12 bucks. I haven't tried those, but I have a feeling that they would perform very similarly. I've got lots of Makeup Revolution products. I really like their products. I know some people don't, but I just can't imagine that there'd be that much of a difference in the way that they perform. And another thing, like when Ulta does their like 21 days, or they're the 21-day sale. I think they just recently did that, but that's another good time to just kind of make a list of what you need and then pick up products then. And Sephora has one as well. I'm not a big Sephora girly because I am so much into drugstore, so I'm more of an Ulta fan, but Sephora does something, you know, similar, and if that's what you're into, you know, I would definitely, I think they have a rewards program as well. I'm not really sure how it works, but definitely I would pick things up when they have those big sales, or like Black Friday. It's another time that you can get some really good deals. Also, if you just heard that, my phone's almost dead and it's charging. And I'm also waiting for the guy to come cut the grass, so I need to pay attention so that way I know if he's here so I can get the dogs in, because they are outside enjoying their day. So I'm trying to like pay attention, because if I hear a lawnmower start, I gotta jump up and get the dogs in. And other people are cutting their lawn, so I'm like, oh crap, is it him? So I'm almost done with this look, and then I'm just going to go throw on a little bit of liner, some mascara, and then I will be right back. Alright, you guys, I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So another really, sorry, the bangs are just, it's getting hot, so they're getting out of control. Another awesome product, the NYX Buttermelt Highlighter. I think they're 12 bucks a piece. Sorry, I desperately need a bang trim. I'm just constantly being poked in the eye. Hopefully that'll happen soon. It's about to make me crazy, but These NYX Buttermelt highlighters are absolutely phenomenal. This is the shade Glaze It Butter. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. And I do have that on with this, I have the Morphe Chic Thrills in the shade Blind Date on for the blush, a little bit of a highlight shade. And now we're just going to go with some extra highlighter because I am extra. Sorry, there's literally something poking me in the eye at all times of the day. I love my bangs, but I just can't function with them, so I don't know what to do. All right, let's put this on. Sorry, I can literally, there's something poking me in the eye. I just cannot, I just can't see it. Ooh, buddy. Oh, I hate this. This is like the worst, you guys. The absolute worst. Because like with my eyes, I can never see what's poking me. I realize that sounds weird, but it's like, even if I'm like all up in a mirror, I can never find it. I mean, it's like, there's just something there that I just can't see. And eventually it like comes out, but guys, I'm so sorry. It's just so bad that I just can't stand it. All right, let's put some of this on. Let's do a little final look-see because this is gonna make me crazy. So are my bangs, but it is what it is. I should know. I can't touch them because then they turn into like 2 bangs. But I don't know. Anyway, let's do a little final look-see. And also, if you need some really good mascaras, because I know we're talking about trying to save money, Essence mascaras, the Lash Princess, the Call Me Queen, 2 of my favorites. They're like $3.99 or $4.99 a piece. So again, really, really, really good affordable makeup products out there. If you're kind of looking for some or you want some recommendations, just comment down below and let's help each other out with how we save money, how we survive what is going on with our economy. Let's just help each other out because that's really what it's all about. So you guys, again, I just used the Essence it's the Essence Ultimate Queen mascara, but this is the NYX Ultimate Queen palette. Again, I got it at TJ Maxx for $9.99. So another hot tip, shop TJ Maxx, Marshalls for all of your for makeup, skincare, hair care, all the things. That's where it's at, you guys. So remember, you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.